Welcome to a new era in artificial intelligence development. For years, Python has been the backbone of AI research and prototyping, but its notorious slowness has forced teams to rewrite code in faster languages like C++ or CUDA for production. Now, a new programming language called Mojo is making headlines, promising to bridge this gap. Developed by the creator of Swift and LLVM, Mojo claims to be up to 68,000 times faster than Python, while keeping the simplicity that developers love. In this video, we'll explore how Mojo could reshape the way AI is built, deployed, and scaled. Most AI projects start in Python for its ease of use and rich ecosystem, but when it's time to scale up, teams hit a wall. Python is simply too slow for production workloads. The typical solution? Rewrite everything in C++ or CUDA, a costly and error-prone process known as the two-language problem. This handoff slows down innovation, increases costs, and creates a barrier between research and deployment. Mojo aims to eliminate this problem by offering Python-like syntax with the performance of a systems language, making it possible to go from prototype to production in one unified codebase. Mojo's credibility comes from its creator, Chris Lattner. He's a legend in the programming world, having developed LLVM, the compiler infrastructure that powers much of modern computing. Lattner also created the Swift language at Apple, led development of Clang and Xcode, and contributed to Tesla's Autopilot and Google's MLIR. His track record of building foundational technologies gives Mojo a level of trust and excitement rarely seen with new languages. Backed by $380 million in funding, Mojo is more than just a promising idea. It's a serious contender for the future of AI. Mojo is built on MLIR, a compiler infrastructure designed specifically for AI workloads. MLIR allows Mojo to target CPUs, GPUs, TPUs, and custom accelerators from a single codebase. This means developers can write code once and run it efficiently on a wide range of hardware, from NVIDIA and AMD GPUs to Apple Silicon. The language's standard library is open-sourced, and its developer community is growing rapidly, with over 175,000 developers and 50,000 organizations already exploring Mojo's capabilities. Mojo's headline-grabbing claim of being 68,000 times faster than Python comes from a specific benchmark, computing the Mandelbrot fractal on a powerful 8.8 core server. While this number is impressive, real-world speedups are typically between 12x and 100x for common AI workloads. Still, these gains are transformative, making previously impossible tasks feasible and dramatically reducing training and inference times for machine learning models. 4 key innovations drive Mojo's performance. First, Mojo is compiled, not interpreted, eliminating the overhead of Python's runtime checks. Second, it uses an ownership system for memory management, freeing resources immediately and avoiding unpredictable pauses from garbage collection. Third, Mojo has first-class SIMD support, allowing it to process multiple values in parallel using modern CPU instructions. Finally, Mojo removes Python's global interpreter lock, enabling true parallelism across CPU cores. Together, these features make Mojo a powerhouse for compute-intensive tasks. Mojo's technical claims hold up when compared to established systems, languages like C++ and Rust. Its standout feature is hardware-agnostic GPU support. The same Mojo code can run on NVIDIA, AMD, and Apple GPUs without modification. In contrast, C++ often requires separate codebases for each hardware vendor. Mojo also makes SIMD programming feel natural, avoiding the need for platform-specific tricks or hoping the compiler optimizes code automatically. One of Mojo's most attractive features is its ability to integrate directly with Python's vast ecosystem. Developers can import and use libraries like NumPy, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Pandas within Mojo code. This means you can keep using your favorite Python tools for data handling and visualization, while rewriting performance-critical sections in Mojo for speed. As of 2025, Python can also import Mojo functions, and Mojo is installable via pip, making integration smoother than ever. Mojo's speed and flexibility are already changing how AI teams work. Training acceleration is the headline use case, with independent benchmarks showing Mojo performing on par with CUDA and HIP for memory-bound GPU tasks. In some cases, Mojo has even outperformed CUDA by 2.5x. For inference, companies like InWorld have seen 70% faster time to first audio and 60% lower costs after switching to Mojo for their speech AI pipelines. These real-world results show Mojo's potential to streamline AI development from research to deployment. The two-language problem has long plagued AI teams, forcing them to prototype in Python and then rewrite everything in C++ or CUDA for production. Mojo finally offers a solution. One language that covers the entire workflow, from experimentation to deployment. Jeremy Howard of Fast.ai calls Mojo the biggest programming language advance in decades because it eliminates the costly and time-consuming handoff between research and engineering. Mojo's hardware-agnostic approach is a game-changer for the industry. Today, optimizing AI for different GPUs like AMD versus NVIDIA means maintaining separate codebases. Mojo's MLIR Foundation compiles the same code to both, preventing vendor lock-in and making it easier for developers to support new hardware as it emerges. As custom AI accelerators become more common, this flexibility will be crucial for the future of AI infrastructure. Several tools exist to speed up Python, each with its own strengths and limitations. Cython transpiles Python-like code to C, but only runs on CPUs and requires C knowledge. Numba uses just-in-time compilation for quick wins, but only supports a subset of Python. JAX is great for research, with automatic differentiation and TPU support, but enforces functional programming. Triton writes GPU kernels in Python syntax, but is GPU only. Mojo stands out by combining systems-level features, Python syntax, and hardware-agnostic compilation in a single, standalone language. Mojo isn't just hype. It's already being used in production. Companies like Quirky AI and SF Compute are leveraging Mojo to compile custom GPU kernels, achieving up to 50% faster performance across multiple hardware platforms. TensorWave is building AMD-focused GPU infrastructure using Mojo, and Modular's Max platform supports over 500 generative AI models, all powered by Mojo kernels. Developer testimonials highlight smoother GPU programming and surprising performance gains, making Mojo a favorite among early adopters. Despite its promise, Mojo's compiler remains closed source, raising concerns about vendor lock-in and long-term viability. The community has voiced worries that companies can't fully commit to Mojo until the core technology is open. Modular, Mojo's parent company, has promised to open-source the compiler by 2026, but until then, enterprises must engage directly with Modular for production use. This uncertainty is a key consideration for teams evaluating Mojo today. Mojo is still evolving and lacks several features that Python developers expect. There are no user-defined classes, only structs are available. List and dictionary comprehensions are missing, as is the global keyword. All code must be written inside functions, with no top-level code allowed. These gaps mean Mojo isn't a full Python superset yet, and developers must adapt their coding style to take advantage of Mojo's performance benefits. Transitioning to Mojo isn't seamless for Python developers. To unlock Mojo's speed, you need to learn ownership semantics, the difference between FN and def, how structs differ from classes, and how to use SIMD programming. The official documentation admits Mojo is not yet beginner-friendly, and extracting maximum performance requires a shift in mindset and coding habits. Mojo faces stiff competition from other languages and frameworks. Julia offers a vast package ecosystem and is fully open source. JAX provides automatic differentiation and TPU support, which Mojo currently lacks. The Python ecosystem's momentum is formidable, and some benchmarks show Julia performing as well as Mojo. Developers must weigh Mojo's unique strengths against the maturity and openness of these alternatives. While Mojo's speed claims are impressive, it's important to scrutinize benchmarks. The 68,000x figure compares optimized multi-threaded Mojo to single-threaded naive Python, a classic apples to oranges scenario. In some cases, Mojo's performance lagged behind NumPy until community fixes were applied. Developers should always test Mojo on their own workloads before making decisions based on marketing numbers. Mojo is a genuine technical achievement, backed by world-class engineering and significant investment. For teams building custom GPU kernels or struggling with Python, C++ codebases, Mojo offers a compelling new path. Early adopters report measurable improvements in speed and development velocity. However, the language is still maturing, and its closed-source compiler and evolving API mean it's best treated as a beta, not a production foundation, at least until version 1 arrives. For individual developers, Mojo is worth exploring, especially if you're interested in GPU programming without the complexity of CUDA or want systems-level speed with Python's ease of use. The language's trajectory, talented team, and strong backing suggest it will play a major role in AI infrastructure. The key question is whether Mojo's open-source timeline and feature set will mature quickly enough to capture its window of opportunity before alternatives catch up. Mojo represents a bold step forward in AI programming languages. By combining Python's simplicity with systems-level performance and hardware flexibility, it has the potential to reshape the entire AI development landscape. As the language matures and its compiler opens up, Mojo could become the standard for building, training, and deploying AI models at scale. Whether you're an enterprise or an individual developer, keeping an eye on Mojo's evolution is essential for staying at the forefront of AI innovation.